gremo radio Študent Ljubljana, delamo 7 dni v tednu.
In an independent radio station you have all the freedom to do practically anything you can. If you look at other radio stations, they're mostly commercial, and the basic show formats are all the same. They all play the same music, hits from the last, 50 years.
Radio Student is found in year 1969 by a student organization of Ljubljana. So we are one of the oldest and probably the biggest non-commercial radio station in Europe.
89,3 ej stara, frekvenca k gate para.
Okay, great.
In Radio Student program are doing some communities like gay and lesbian communities, then minorities like Cebrian minority, Bosnians. We also have an anarchistic group, feminist movement, and so on.
Carmen Souza. Souza with Z, okay.
Now we have a 24 hours program. We have probably some 200 collaborators.
Sluša nekak poklicat ali pa se zmenimo, da bi se tega...
Fonoteka, kako se reče?
Fonotek, I guess.
Poslušate Radio Študent. Utegnite ga vase in ga plunte prvemu bedaku v obraz.
I'm learning to be a technician, so this is a kind of course which is since the end of January. This radio has the most freedom of the all media I know. Here it's more, you have more opportunities and more freedom to speak not whatever you want, but you know.
Minister Virant pri novem valu varčevanja v javnem sektorju ne zavrača niti odpuščanja, pri tem pa se naslanja na argument nesposobnosti. Zaradi domnevno slabega javnofinančnega položaja Slovenije
Radio Študent. Najboljša priloga k vsaki hrani.
A reason to listen to Radio Student? Because it's never dull. It's always something interesting to listen to.
Still best in town, and we have stunning views from the roof.
It's really nice, the best radio.
Nabirati gobe, uporabljati civilno pravo. Znamo tuje jezike, znamo vložiti pravo stavo. Znamo podkovati konja, poznamo pravo travo. Znamo striči ovce, vemo, kdo je kriv. Pit vino, vemo, kdo je mrtev in kdo je živ.
Ampak ne znamo biti tiho.
Radio Študent, Ljubljana.